Guys, welcome back to the final video of the model errors on the camera. So make sure you comment, subscribe, don't forget to upload notifications, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a question, don't subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Twitch. Links will be down below in the description of course. And you can also follow me on Snapchat if you so wish to. So yeah, so we're back to the final video, because basically just going through some scenery. Where's the box? Or what box? Oh, the box with the coal stuff on it, in it. It's in the, well, it's in under the sink at the moment, just to keep out of the way of the cats. And I do have another one down there, but I think for the moment I'm going to wipe what we got ready on the table, and then the smelly stuff we will mix in with glue, and then that way, hopefully. This stuff is going to be on the lat, and I prefer to, you know, basically what I'll do is put a top layer on this, and then put the track basically underneath. I'm going to take this track apart actually, just for the time being. Oh. This is a bit tough, but let's take this off. Who's looking forward to the new trains to me to unbox soon? I'm sure some of you guys are. I'm sure I'm not the only one looking forward to see the brand new trains. Well, a new train and a new motor for the Trine Blue Pullman. I'm sure some of you are looking forward to see it, because let's face it, I'm not the only one into model errors after all. I mean, model errors are good. They are good, and you know, you can play with trains, and in pandemics like this, especially when you can't get out, it's the best time to play with trains. Play trains in your house, maybe do a small walk from the local from home, things like that. So, and if you live close to a main line or heritage line, you got the lucky of taking some pictures there and get some ideas for your layout. So I like the idea of living a place. I mean, I kind of like the idea of a place anyway to myself, but near a heritage line or something like that, because it would be good, and I get some ideas next to the line, and or living next to the main line, I suppose, and that's not really a problem for me, especially if I don't have a pet. I mean, it wouldn't be a problem. It might disturb my sleeping hours, I suppose, a little bit. Yeah, I suppose that could be a problem. But otherwise, the rest is pretty decent, I suppose. How's some of my friends doing, and how they're coping with this? Well, for Dottie, I think she's doing alright. She's Farina and her mum, she's struggling a little bit, but she's getting by. So yeah, Joel, I don't know, I haven't really spoken to Joel very much the last few months. Joel's a fairly new friend to me. We spoke when we spoke first time. It was like 2 years ago, I think. We spoke on Twitch and that. 2017, I think. No, it would have been 2018, 2 years ago. So I spoke to her in 2018, and basically, you know, we do speak sometimes, but it's just not very often. It's a bit like when we went through a phase at one point when one of my older friends from college didn't speak for ages, and it's like, well, it's one of those things. But now we do talk, and I think, because I don't know, but I think she could have a lot on last year, and that's what I'm going to say. Anyway, Dottie's a fairly old friend, I suppose. She's not as old as Marina, but, you know, in the sense of knowing her, but in physical age, I don't know how old Dottie is actually. Never asked. Marina's 24, because she had a birthday less than a week and a half ago. I always know when Marina's birthday is. She's on the 18th of April. That's what I'm going to say. She's only born just a year before me. Lol. Well, a year after me. I was born in 95 and she was born in 96. There's literally a year difference. Yeah, it's quite nice to actually just chill out and just play with trains, to be honest. I mean, this is what I might do later tomorrow. Sort of off camera, I'll be playing with trains, maybe do a video on it with my phone, and sort of chill out and sort of just get some ideas of scenery, really. I mean, yes, there's a starting point here, as you can see, and basically just sort of spreading it out a little bit, because this stuff is quite sticky. Well, sticky. Basically it's quite soft, and that's why I can sort of squish it up and use it. But there's some parts of the coal that's really tough and tricky. I have got coal around, it's just I haven't found it. I think the last time I used it was in about a month ago, something like that. So yeah, this section here is going to be used for the track, so something like that at least. I'll probably have a fairly easy day tomorrow, so a chill out day. Probably not so worried about getting dressed so much. I decided to get dressed today because it's Saturday, and secondly it's like really nice fairly warm weather, so it's getting colder for the next 3 or 4 days. I do like reading newspaper, yeah, from time to time. I just don't particularly, you know, do it every day or every week, but from time to time I do find quite enjoyment just looking through the newspaper. It's, well, sometimes it's an independent one, or sometimes it'll be the Daily Sun one, which I know not everyone likes, but yeah, I suppose the Daily Sun was a thing at one point where there was naked ladies in, but it's not what I turned to get it for. If I was into that, well, if I want to see such things, I look on the internet for them. So that's what I've been doing for the past 3 to 4 years of my life. So, yeah, I've been doing it since I was 18. Looking at images and stuff. It's just been growing ever since. Crikey, this is good. I mean, yes, this stuff is a bit messy in place, but it's pretty nice.